I want a car so badly.
Bro, do you even have a license?
Yeah.
Then let me see it.
Get off me.
Hef.
I will get a new car, and nothing will stop me.
Oh my god, is that the spider melon? Oh, it's just some random ass kid. Hey, can you get off my car, please? Thanks. What the foo?
Yes, time to ride. Hey guys, look at my new car.
Melon, get out of the car now.
No, you're not my dad.
I never said I was.
So you're my grandpa?
No. I'm none of your family members. I'm your friend.
Oh, okay, Mom.
Melon, get out of the F#* and in car.
Okay. What?
Give this car back.
I can't, the owner,
Womp womp.
No one was talking to you, Apple. Since you're so desperate for a car, call this number.
Okay.
Hey, Melon, do you still have that paper I gave you?
Yeah, but it's in my car.
Well, could you go retrieve it?
I can't. The car is in the acid lake.
What? I'm coming right away. Okay, Melon, where is it?
I don't know. Okay.
Finally, he's gone. I can enjoy eating my popcorn in peace now.
What did you say?